her sip. Okay, as today is Christmas Day for everybody, I would like to wish you all a very, very Merry Christmas. Obviously, it is Christmas Day for me today as well, but my videos won't be out for 2 days because I video and then you see them 2 days later. But as it's Christmas for you guys and you're watching on a day that's not Christmas Day for me yet, even though it is Christmas Day, if that makes sense, I'm going to take you for a tour around my estate. Oh, hello. Right, anyway, let's just do a quick tour around. Hello. There. And that was the tour of the estate. Right, that's Cybil. Come on then, Cyb. Come on. She's up on the table, ready and waiting. I'll just drop that nut on the floor, shall I? Hello? So, you and Barry got up to it yesterday then, didn't you? Here. Here. This one? Good girl. No? You want this one then? You want this one? No? What about this one? Try this one then. That was the first one I gave you, but you dropped that. That one's better, is it? Yeah? No? Try another one then. Well, there's this one. I don't know what difference it makes because she'll eventually take all of them anyway. Won't you? Anyway, I hope that made sense in what I said. So it's Merry Christmas to you guys today because you're watching on Christmas Day. But my actual Christmas Day for you guys to see will be in 2 days' time. Okay, I'm going to get on with my day now. Plus, being Christmas Day today, even though it's 2 days before Christmas for me, it would look strange me going shopping on Christmas Day. So I didn't want to confuse the issue. So again, Merry Christmas to everybody. Look who's back. Hello. So, when are these babies going to be due? She's come back with a nut. And Norman's just come home. Hello? In you go then. Yeah. Yeah. Come on. I think you know there's a hazelnut in my hand, don't you? Oh, yeah, look. That's it. I love the hazelnut, she says. Oh. Oh, that's a surprise. Hazelnut's still down there. And And Maggie is up in the tree waiting to come and get nuts. See her up there? Look who's back. Well, she's just had a wee. On my days, I've just seen it all drip down the fence. There we go. Right, squirrels, by the way, are pregnant for around 1 month to 6 weeks. That's what Google's told me. So after yesterday, with Barry and Cybil, there should be babies born around the end of January. That was quick. In fact, was it you that just came? Because you went over the fence that way and you've literally come back a different way. That one is definitely Cybil. Right, that's not Cybil, that's Barry. But he's learnt that the nuts are on the table as well. Okay, busy morning with friends round. Had the spot of lunch and then a nanny nap, and now we've just come out shopping to get the final bits ready for Christmas. So tonight's dinner, I suppose, because it's getting late now and I can't be bothered to cook a meal, is bacon. You can see in there, bacon, brie and cranberry paninis. So a bit Christmassy, but very nice at the same time. There we go, just to show you it is working again tonight. So you can see, I did take it off and just tried to put it in some daylight, but it's not the best it can be yet. It will get a bit brighter, but yeah, there it is, up and down. I've just come upstairs and there's Norman. I think he's attempted to get into my bed at some point. And there's Kenny. They just are so cosy, comfortable cats. I just want to get in my bed now, but it's too early.